Pappa G's is an authentic Indian restaurant in BF Homes Paranaque, owned by Indian entrepreneur Gagan Prit Brinda from Puni in Central India and Filipino partner Rain Garchitorena. What started as a home-cooked delivery business has transitioned into a simple 15-seater neighborhood restaurant, which was opened on March 2023 along Grande Avenue. They also function as an Indian grocer selling Indian spices and uncooked basmati rice. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. We just arrived at Pappa G's. This is one of the newest home-cooked Indian restaurants in Metro Manila. It's located along Grande Avenue in Sukat, Parañaque. We haven't been to this area in quite some time, close to BF Homes, so we can't wait to try out the food over here. From their menu, we would highly recommend their masala papad, samosas, chicken biryani, shrimp curry, palak paneer, dal tadka, and paratha. From the refreshments, try their sweet or salty lassi and their masala chai. To start, I'm having their masala papad, which is a papadum, which is a crispy bean flour, and you can top it off with tomatoes, onions, and green chilies. So let's bite out of this. That's a really crispy papadum. I just love all the crunchiness from the veggies on top. This is an excellent appetizer. Up next, the samosas, which is served with tamarind sauce, mint sauce, and a mango chutney. So it's quite a big samosa, which is the Indian dumpling, deep fried. I'm gonna have some of this mint sauce to start. Wow, it's served piping hot. Potatoes and spices on the inside. No green peas. It's purely vegetarian. Oh, there's a very nice mint sauce. Now with the mango chutney. Wow, that's a super powerful mango chutney, but savory and delicious. Very nice samosas over here. The rest of our dishes have arrived. We are super enjoying every single dish that we ordered. So we got the chicken biryani, and that comes with a full chicken leg quarter. Very generous serving of basmati rice with that. Even served with raita, which is the yogurt sauce. And then we also ordered the shrimp curry, which is simmered in onions, tomatoes, ginger garlic paste, curry leaves, and some coconut milk. And we also got the palak paneer. This is one of our favorites. It's paneer, which is the Indian cottage cheese in a smooth spinach sauce with onion, spices, herbs, and of course fresh spinach. Then over here we have the dal tadka, which is made with yellow lentils and with oil, ghee, fried spices, and herbs. And we also have some paratha on the side. I'm super enjoying this paratha, which is Indian flatbread. Added a bit of the shrimp curry on there. Down the hatch. Savory and delectable, and that paratha is cooked perfectly. Very generous chunks of the palak, which is the Indian cottage cheese. This is so good, guys. I am so impressed with their chicken biryani. That chicken just falls off the bone, ultra tender and succulent, guys. Oh, so damn good. I have to say that was surprisingly tasty Indian food, quite affordable over here in Parañaque. What do you have to say about Pappa G's?
I like that it was very legit and satisfying. The quality of the food was at high level. A lot of spices, very potent, meaning the spices, not the spices, but in terms of the flavor spices. And even small, it seems like it's small amount of food, but makes you really full because spices itself very nutritious and have a lot of health value. So it was definitely so satisfying and flavorful, and of course I feel super full. I cannot finish, I cannot add anything to my stomach, maybe a side of this masala tea. I like a lot biryani, chicken biryani rice, and I like the dal. Was really something different compared to all restaurants where I ate. Maybe they're adding something else there, some different spices, but it was really nice. It was dal
Tadka.
Shrimp curry for me was a little bit too salty and spicy, so I tried a little bit but couldn't eat much. And palak paneer was good as everywhere. So my most favorite, one more time I repeat, was dal tadka and chicken biryani.
I am so stuffed as well. The food was just too tasty. I particularly enjoyed the chicken biryani, which was so tender and succulent, and I love the serving sizes for that price. In terms of the appetizers, definitely order the samosa and the masala papadam. And for the vegetarian dishes, that dal tadka, the yellow lentils, that was just really something that you will remember just because it was so rich and flavorful. And as well as the palak paneer, those huge chunks of cottage cheese. Absolutely delicious, guys. Thanks for watching. Please stay safe, and we'll see you in the next episode.